All right, here we are with Milo. Yes, I'm talking about you. And we have been working with the Nina Ottosson puzzles. The dog twister is what we're working with today. He's already worked with this a couple of times, so now we brought it to the most complicated level with all the dog bones in the puzzle. Here are the dog bones. And I basically left one chamber empty. He cannot move any of these pieces around before taking out one of the bones, and then he can get that. So let's see how he does with figuring out how to get all these bones out and then get to the food eventually. Sit, wait. Wait. Find it. He has to remove the bones first. And with every bone that he removes, I give him a click. We're getting there. Good boy. Come on, remove them. Keep going. Remove. He is so smart. Just amazing. Good boy. There you go. It actually fell into the one open slot. I'm going to have two more to go. Come on. Milo. Milo. Here. Remove. Good. One more. One more. Come on. Come on, one more. Okay, go. Come on, go. Sorry for the shaking. Good job, Milo. Good boy. Where'd you go? Good boy. He has so much fun with these. It's a great way to occupy his mind and get his mind a little bit more focused. It also helps him relax because it mentally stimulates him and works out his brain, which eventually also tires them out. So after this, we'll go to a harder puzzle, which is the Doggy Casino, and he has to pull out drawers. So today we'll work with this. Good boy. He's only been with us. This is day 5. So it's just amazing how crazy smart this kid is. Good boy. So as you see, it's already 4 minutes into the puzzle. So it's a great way to feed him, slow his feeding down, occupy him, make him work for it instead of just putting his food into a food bowl. And like I said, he really, really loves these puzzles. Good. Now he's systematically going through, checking all his little chambers one more time, make sure he got it all. Come on, Milo. Sit. Sit. Stay. 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 Sit. Stay. All right, sweetie, you still have some. Come on. There you go. Come on. Find it. Yes, you found the last chamber. Good boy. Good boy. All right, that's enough. Milo, sit. Milo, sit. Come here. What are you doing? Sit. Milo, down. Roll your hip. Milo, roll your hip. Yes. All right, say bye to Mommy.